Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model a very simple and basic low poly house in Maya. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is very simple and basic house model in Maya. You can put a good texture on this to enhance the look. So this is very basic tutorial on how to model a very simple and basic low poly house in Maya. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.